Meditation is an amazing practice that everyone should do at least once a day, even if it's for 5 minutes, because it doesn't even take long. And it is important now more than ever to practice that muscle, to practice meditation, because the world is going crazy, man. Like, the world is losing its mind. Every day there is something going on in the news about, I don't know, people dying, people sick, scarcity, racism. Like, there is always something going on, and there is always something being fed to you. And how are you supposed to feel in these conditions where every day you wake up, the first thing you see on the news is a bad energy being fed to you, even without you wanting it? That's why I try to stay away from browsing too much on social media, because we are constantly facing and battling insecurities, anxiety, stress, depression, and who wants that? I'm so grateful for actually being able to stay away from things that does not serve me anymore without being tempted, because what it's going to do is bring those things into your life, and you don't want that in your life. Therefore, meditation is such a powerful practice to sit with yourself, ground yourself, feed yourself, and recreate yourself, because there is something really powerful about you being able to sit and look inward instead of being all over the place looking for something else before yourself, if you know what I mean. The power of meditation comes from within. So once you get there, practice some point, you're able to sit with yourself and in the thought. And once you get to that point, you are in this state of stillness in present moment. And why is that important? Is because once you get to that point, you are literally the creator of your life. You are or becoming the main character in your life, or the designer. And let me explain. There's 3 dimensions: past, present, future. But let me rewind to the past. From a young age, our brain and body have responses to certain situation, either bad or good. Our mind create patterns on how to react to certain situation. If in the past a stimulating event happened to you, or emotional event happened to you, and you reacted a certain way, chances are, if a similar situation presents itself, you're gonna react the same way, the same thought process, the same emotions, the same feeling, the same actions. Everything will resurface. You will be doing it all over again. If after a stimulating event or emotional event, either good or bad, your dog died, or you had the best grade in your high school, or you had a breakup, and if after one of those events you would go back to your ex, or you would blackout party, or you would self-harm, or you would judge yourself in a way that you don't really deserve, or even being emotionless, like not crying or hiding your emotions, doesn't matter, put it in your situation. If a similar event happens a few months later, you are most likely gonna be doing it all again. And it's because your mind only know one way to react to a certain type of situation, because that's what you taught it. So it's gonna bring the same patterns again and again and again, because you don't have control. You gave away the control to your mind, because you're not present and you're not fully conscious. And that's why meditation is so powerful, because once you start to meditate, you get into the stillness point where you acknowledge your breathing, you become present, you become fully conscious, and from that point on, the blur from the past will disappear and you're able to see clearly. Then you are able to act accordingly to any situation that comes into your life, because you are 100% conscious. And what that allows you to be is, like I said, it allows you to be the creator of your life. Like, you make the decision, you make things happen, you become the creator of your life, the creator of your thoughts, the creator of your emotions and everything. You get into another situation like that, you're actually able to lay back, get into the stillness point, and actually control what you can do, what you think, what you feel, what makes sense, what does not make sense, what is good for you and what is not. And from there, you're able to change the old patterns of your mind and create new ones, which are gonna give you a new pathway onto how to react to a certain situation. And it's gonna give you a whole new different perspective onto how to react and how to deal on a situation. Meditation will eventually do things for you that you never knew you could do or needed, because it did for me. And if it did for me, it can do it for you too, right? So just keep practicing without expecting nothing from it. It's like when you do something without expecting nothing back. It's basically like volunteering, except you're not working. You're just doing it because it makes you happy. The ability to give without expecting nothing back is a quality that you're gonna need on this meditational or spiritual journey, because it allows you to go deeper into your meditative state and create a safe space and access point where you can hear yourself better, hear what you feel, hear what you think, hear what you need to do, and what you be wanting clearly. It makes everything about your brain and your thought process it makes everything about your brain and your thought process clear. Not only that, but also your intuition and your instinct, because your intuition is like a guide. It's like this strong feeling inside of your gut, and if you can hear it, how do you know where to go? Thank you for watching.